Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is my 30-day review of the Aiper Scuba SE pool robot vacuum. I've been using this for the last month, and I would give it, a solid 5, maybe even a 6 out of 10. I did an initial review video on it where I showed you it was having some problems with my pool because the ground isn't completely flat on the bottom. I'll put a link to that video down below, as well as an Amazon link where you can pick up one of these if you're interested. It is basically one of the cheapest robot vacuums you can get for your pool. It does charge up fairly quickly, a couple hours, and then it runs for I think around 60 to 90 minutes on that one charge. And it did have some problems with my pool just because it's a little bit uneven on the bottom. So I'm gonna try a different pool vacuum. They make one that has 2 motors. I think this one only has the 1 motor. So I think that'll help in terms of it dealing with the bottom that's a little bit uneven. So I'm gonna try Aiper's slightly better vacuum. It's about $25 more expensive, and see if that helps. It does pick up a lot of stuff, even if it gets stuck in one place for a majority of the cleaning. It does, when I open it up, there are a lot of leaves and gunk in there that it got out of the pool, which is a good thing. Otherwise, it just gets scratched up kind of easily on the top. When you pull it out, I did notice it would dump a lot of stuff. I did notice that was if you let it sit on the bottom for a little while after it was done cleaning, a lot of things would settle in the vacuum and it wouldn't dump out as much. And if you pulled it out with this closed one on the downside, there's 2 vents here, or 2 suction areas. One of them is open all the time, one of them's slightly closed all the time. If you pull it out with the closed one down, less stuff would dump out. And if you pulled it up slowly, not as quickly, less stuff would dump out of it as well. So that's just a little bit of a learning curve. You could also, when you pull it out, just have a net ready to kind of net up any of the stuff that dumps out. But again, guys, solid 6 out of 10. Again, for the cheapest robot vacuum on the market, if your pool is completely flat on the bottom, I would say it's like a 7 or an 8 out of 10. Not a bad product. I do like how small it is. I feel like it is fairly powerful, fairly lightweight, easy to handle. Again, if you guys got any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll put a link on for where you can buy one on Amazon in my description, as well as a link to my other video, my initial unboxing, and that video shows me using it in my pool. Again, if you guys appreciate this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing a review video on the slightly better Aiper vacuum. I forget the name of it. I think it's like the Scuba SE Pro or something. But that one has 2 motors, so hopefully will be a little bit more powerful. If you guys want to see that video, make sure to subscribe. I'll catch y'all next time.